Hi, I'm Jenny and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the DIY wainscoting kits from Intrim Mouldings. I can snap my fingers and show you the before and after. I love it. So let me show you how you can do it too. There are 3 steps: planning, installation and painting. Step 1 is the planning. I wanted to be prepared so that when a wet weekend came around, like it is today, raining cats and dogs, and I was going to be stuck inside, that I had a project that I could tackle. I started by jumping onto the Intrim website. They've got a section for their DIY wainscoting kits, and I followed the instructions to work out how many of the kits that I'd need. So to work out how many kits that I needed, it was pretty simple to follow the instructions and measure my wall up. Now I like to plan and visualize what it's going to look like. So I took down all the dimensions and made myself a little diagram. I worked out that I needed to order up 3 kits. Each kit had 2 picture frame squares in it, a chair rail, the glue, spacing blocks, and a builder's pencil and sandpaper. I also needed a saw and miter box and chalking gun. I put the order through online and everything was delivered for me within a couple of weeks. While I was waiting for my delivery, I was also planning the painting. So I visited my local paint store and I bought the paint, the brushes, and some painter's masking tape. Now there's lots of options when it comes to painting for your wainscoting, and I decided that for my room, I was just going to match the existing skirting boards, so I used a water-based acrylic paint in the same colour and the same gloss level as what I've got, which was a semi-gloss. Step 2 is installation. Now there's a great instructional video on the website, so I'm not going to show you all the step-by-step guides. Go and check out that video, but you can watch me as I do mine. Voila! Here is the finished room. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it was actually a lot easier than I expected. If you want to make over a space like this, then the DIY wainscoting kits from Intrim are a great solution for a weekend project. Just remember to plan in advance and you too can have a beautiful room like this.